If you are working with Kubernetes, you should know this. When a new pod is scheduled, your scheduler will try to send that pod to a node that has least allocated resources. And that's because by default it uses something called least allocated. So in this case, node 3 is preferred. But let's say if you want to optimize your cost, and you should prioritize using bin packing. Bin packing is a way of utilizing your resources such as CPU and memory of each node as fully as possible, which means you want your nodes to be working as efficiently as possible. There are two ways of dealing with this, which is most allocated. When you are opting for most allocated, your pod is scheduled on a node that has most allocated resources. In this case, node 1 has 70% utilized resources, and therefore the pod goes there. The idea is to fill this node up first, and then probably fill this node, followed by this node, followed by scaling if required. There is another way of dealing with the same thing, which is a requested to capacity ratio. This is more of a balanced approach. You do not want to overload your node that is already heavily loaded. Therefore, the scheduler will pick up a node that has balanced CPU and memory resources. You can also set up some weights so that the scheduling decisions are taken based on the weight. Let's say if your CPU has a weight of 2 and your memory has a weight of 1, then the scheduler will pick the node that has more CPU resources, right? So these two strategies can help you achieve bin packing. Therefore, the cost is optimized. If you like this video, appreciate if you can subscribe.